Welcome to How To with J&E. Today I want to show you this set. It's called Chromatek is the make, the manufacturer, and it's watercolour brush pens. So you can see there's lovely colours. It's a full set of pens. There's 54 pens, and that includes 50 different colours as well as 4 blending brushes. So with the set you get this watercolour tutorial pad. This is beginner volume 1, and they do have online videos that show you how to tackle your first efforts of making watercolour pictures. So they're very pale, it's just very light outline pictures, so there's only a few pictures, you get 2 shots at doing each picture. So that's a really good idea, and as I say, what's good is that you do also get the videos. Here we've got a card and you get a guarantee with your pens, which I did think was actually quite good. So it just says on the back, there's just a wee thank you for buying it, and it says that you've got a 30-day guarantee on your pens from Amazon. So this is the pens. This is the sets green to down to like a brown, and you do get these pens at the side. Now I'm really looking forward to starting to use these brush pens, and these are the refillable water brushes. So you just screw that off at the bottom and you just fill that up with plain clear water, and then you screw it back in. It goes the other way, I think. Yep, I've got that on now, and you can see the tip is just a nice fine point tip. So these are blending brushes, so what you do is you paint with the colours and then you blend with the brushes. And this is the next one, so that shows you it's completely different. That's a chisel tip, and that's just would give you a completely different effect when you were painting. So as I say, all the lovely colours. This is the next set. So in this row you've just got one blending brush at the end, and again this is like oranges, browns, quite earthy colours, yellows, quite natural sort of tones. Probably my favourite colour set. It's nice blues, greens, yellow, pinks, and another blending brush. So you get 4 blending brushes in total and all the lovely colours. So it looks like a really good pack. This cost me £34.99, and that was from Amazon, and I just got it next day delivery, which was really good. So you got your guarantee, your little book. Someone did suggest online, if you didn't want to try using the tutorials, you could just also use the pad and use the other side without the pictures on it. So just a quick recap, that's 50 different blending colours in your pack. So I hope that's been helpful. Obviously I'm going to try and make some videos, but I hope that just showing you this pack has been helpful just to review it. Thank you. Bye.